Greetings everyone. This is a project haul that I thought I would share. Number one, I just picked up these two bins for a couple of block of the month projects. One I received, one is coming in later in the month that I will be using. I bought these at Walmart. These are just Sterilite clip boxes and they were $7.24. I have a hard time finding navy blue socks because I have a lot of navy blue yoga pants that I wear. So what I did was I just purchased some Avia plain white socks and some RIT Midnight Navy. Of course, this is synthetic fiber dye. We'll see, because it says polyester, nylon, and acrylic, and we'll see how that goes. This is a Birds in Toyland block of the month, and it started a few months back, but I got to thinking about it after I was, I'll quit doing that while I'm talking. I got to thinking about it after I was in the quilting bee for the needles that I talked about in my last video. So I just couldn't control myself. And so I went back and I signed up for the block of the month for this particular quilt. It's a 60 by 60, so it would work as a throw or put on display type of quilt. It is a Christmas quilt. And this is the Birds in Toyland book. And I am going to see if it has a full picture in here for you to see. Kind of this. Maybe you can see it. Adorable. Oh my God. Adorable. So it is wool applique on woven fabric. And block one is one of these blocks. One of these right here. I imagine block two, I think, is this Christmas tree one, but I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll see what block two is, and I picked that up in August. Here's another picture of it. Shows you if you do it in the navy blue versus the beige, and I am doing the one in beige. The first block cost me what you pay for the first block and the last block. Well, that came to $50.07, and that is with tax. The Birds in Toyland number one was $22.99 and number 15 of $22.99. Now, as I said, it's already started. I don't know how far they are, but I can still do it at my own pace. If I want to go in and pick up several blocks at a time to try to get caught up, I can, or I can just pay one a month. And I think I'm going to do the one a month for a little while and see how I do. And if I get ahead of myself, which knowing me, I doubt it seriously, but if I do, then I may pick up more than one. But again, this is Birds in Toyland applique whimsical Christmas quilt from Piece of Cake Designs. And this is the fabric that you use. So they provide you with the fabric. When you do the applique blocks, they provide you with everything you need to do the applique blocks. And I know quilters often don't wash their fabric before they use it. And this is just a reminder that these are the pieced blocks. And I'm probably not going to therefore wash it before I use it, but I was just going to show you the interesting fabric. Greens, lots of greens, of course. And they always tell you that the fabric may change, what fabric maybe is available. So I may not get the same fabric that someone else gets. But this to me looks like, well, there's some beige for sure. They're just different solids or close to solid fabrics. Except for this one definitely has a print. And I will do this block pretty quick. So maybe this weekend I will start it and then I will film how I piece that block together. Again, I got this at the Quilting Bee in Spokane Valley, and this is the Birds in Toyland block of the month. With it, I purchased this woven fusible fabric. It was 45 inches wide, and I purchased 1.5 yards of it at $10.99 a yard, so it came to $16.49. And it's just basic white fabric, and then it is fusible on the other side, so that when you do your appliques, you fuse this on the back of your applique fabric for when you're starting to stitch. And with that, I did purchase the Steam-A-Seam 2 Light, and this is the 18-inch wide, and it was $11.49 a yard, and I got 2 yards, so it came to $22.98, which, you know, is really pricey. So today when I was at Walmart, just for the heck of it, I picked up this Wonder Under interfacing. So it shows like here for applique, and I know that it's been, what I want to say, recommended from other places, but I wanted to just buy it for $5 for 2 yards, which is way cheaper than the Steam-A-Seam, and I kind of want to see to compare the two. So in a video down the road, I will probably just do scrap fabrics, try the applique on each of these with a, I don't know, some other kind of backing or solid fabric to put the appliques on, just to compare the Steam-A-Seam, which is extremely expensive, and the Pellon Wonder Under interfacing. So you can look for that video coming up as well. This one I'm probably going to do tomorrow, which is a Christmas diamond ornament I got from Amazon, and I don't remember the price. I'll put it up there when I do the edit. So naturally, some of this isn't Christmas. This is definitely Christmas, and this is Christmas. I ordered 2 more diamond painting Christmas projects from Amazon that are small, and I will show you those when I get them. Of course, you get the standard, which you get in every kit, no matter where you buy it. These are considered, I guess, keychains, but I thought they would make very cute ornaments. I might use them to hang off of my calendar. I have a wooden calendar in my kitchen that I sometimes hang little holiday or of the month matching types of themes, and I may use them for that. I'm not sure. I'm not a big fan of gold. I like silver better, but you know, I may just use these anyway because they came in the kit. Your diamonds, of course, come in what's pretty standard for diamond painting. So they come in a strip, and I will kind of show you what you get. My dog's growling, I don't know why. So greens, pinks, golds, blues, reds, some more greens. So you get 18 colors, and I don't know, some of the reviews said there wasn't enough diamonds for the ornaments, but I don't know. I've never had any trouble with Amazon diamond paintings. Not like I'm really experienced with them, but I thought these were really cute. You probably have to peel it. Yep, you peel it off. It's definitely sticky on the in-between sections. So after the diamonds are on there, I may have to put something on there, maybe a sealer for sure, to cover that sticky up. So you get these cute little presents. Get this little snow guy. There's a car with a tree in the back. It looks like a present. Candle with some holly. Stocking and a bell. You have a Santa and a deer. Another snow guy. Candy cane with a ribbon. A rocking horse. And a Christmas tree. And so I will probably do these tomorrow because they're quick, and I need to do something that I finish, that I'm happy with and have some fun with. The other were these 2 Kim's card kits that I had mentioned before, not Christmas related. I had actually filmed opening these, but I don't know, somehow I lost the film footage, so it is what it is. If you want to know what's in Kim's card kits in general, I will link that video in the info section. But this one is happy birthdays, thinking of you. There's a sympathy card, some thank yous. And there's a get well card, which I seem to run out of these kinds of cards really quickly. And the Celebrate Today card kit, which is this one. And like I said, I opened it already, which I will show you in just a minute. Was on sale for $17, which sometimes you can get the card kits on sale. This one was not on sale, and it was $25. But I did open this one up and show you. These are happy birthdays, mostly. Thank you. But a lot of these I can just use for happy birthdays for little kids, which I run out of those all the time. I had made some of hers in the past, actually a couple of different ones, and I have used those up. So I needed some more children's birthday cards. And normally, yeah, the envelopes, which have the individual designs in, maybe I should count them, right? These are the ephemera that she's using, which I am very happy that they are not stickers, so that I don't have to unsticky them. So they should be fun. And then this is her bag of extra stuff, which is ribbons and rickrack and some more twine. There's some little googly eyes. And then she's using these little solid dots instead of gems. And then she sent this, which is what she uses for the greeting or whatever. Sentiment, I guess I want to say is the word. As I had mentioned before, I have 2 more items coming from Amazon that were diamond painting related. One is not going to be here till clear to at least the end of the month is what it said. Maybe not even until August, which is disappointing because I really wanted to do it for, you know, Christmas in July. But I'm going to open this one up and show you what I am going to try, because I thought it would be fun. You get your little, you know, normal diamond painting stuff. But these are coasters, and I thought they were adorable. And, you know, best case scenario, maybe I can make them and give them away. But, you know, I may just keep them too. This one is a little, looks like a gnome. Here is a Santa, which I thought this one was really pretty. I keep wanting to get out of frame. And then this one is a Christmas tree. I thought that was pretty too. Some snowflakes. There's another truck with a couple of Christmas trees. Some stockings. These are pretty. There's a snow guy. And some bells. And I am assuming that this peels as well. If I can get it open, I can let you know how sticky it feels. It feels pretty sticky. And here is the bag of diamonds. Oh, see how pretty those are? Those are really pretty. And I will tell you how many colors there are in a minute. And there are 17 colors. I know I don't have very good light, but they are very shiny. Very shiny. It's pretty silver ones. I thought these over here were kind of interesting. These little kind of gold ones. Anyway, should be fun. So I will probably do the coasters and the ornaments tomorrow. At least some of them. And then I will show you when I'm finished. Thanks for watching.